I'm going to start this video with the spoiler, and that is no one has any idea how low they're going to go. Okay, so we're going to talk about some of the ideas of where they might go, but the fact is everyone is just guessing at this point.
You hear that? If you are interested in knowing how low the price will go, no one knows. It'll go lower, but we don't know the exact bottom. The fact is that whatever you think your home is worth is wrong. It is far lesser. How will someone buy a pre-condo at $1,500 per foot, and it's now selling for less than $1,000 per foot? That's the situation of things right now. If you've invested all of your life savings into real estate in Toronto, you are in for rough times. Whether you think of it as the biggest real estate crash of the 21st century, or the biggest market downturn in history, or a death spiral. One thing is certain about Canada real estate market, it's that it's far from bright, let's call it bleaky. Let's draw inference from the UBS Global Real Estate Bubble Index 2018 to 2021. Since 2018, Toronto has been in the top 3 of the Bubble Index. According to the UBS Index, Toronto has returned to bubble risk territory. Stretched affordability, tighter mortgage stress test requirements, and an expected tightening of monetary policy by the Bank of Canada will challenge price levels in the coming quarters. We are in that quarter, and the real prices of real estate in Toronto is emerging. Late 2019, real estate in Toronto experienced a 10% correction, but in this quarter, the correction is expected to be more pronounced. This is Savvy Economist, and we are interested in looking at the Toronto real estate bubble. How did Canada's most profitable sector become a scary one? Please watch, like, and share this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more videos. Let's get into it. In the words of RBC chief economists, he opined that the economic landscape is rapidly becoming less hospitable for Canada's housing market due to unstoppable inflation and rising interest rates. According to RBC's prediction, there is likely to be a 42% real estate price correction on Toronto properties. Despite how things are currently, a lot of people are still yet to accept there is a decline in price. A decline that might be more severe than what happened to the Toronto real estate in 1989. In 1989, home prices kept on declining for 13 straight years. The decline wiped off about 30% in real estate value. Now, observers are predicting a price correction of about 42% in less than 2 years, and many still do not see it as a game changer. Here's what John Pasalis thinks.
Before COVID, in February 2020, the average home price was just over $900,000. Literally in 2 years, that average price increased to just over $1.3 million. And since February of 2022, we're in the summer now of 2022 in June, the average home prices have fallen to about $1.2 million. So the question, of course, is how low will they go?
The issue with real estate prices is that past home sales and prices cannot be used as a predictor of the future. However, we are not at that point where sellers are optimistic, while the buyers are skeptical. We are now at that point when supply is rising, but no one wants to buy, and this is the main reason for the fall in price. Home sellers are coming to a realization that the demand they used to count on has disappeared, while the buyers know that they now have a better bargaining chip to push the price lower. Nonetheless, the situation is simple. There are loads of homes to be sold, but no one is ready to tie down their resources into a declining market. Except a political or economic shock happens to the real estate market, we are going to continue experiencing a weakness to the price of real estate in the Toronto area. Knowing that it took 13 years for the real estate market to recover after the 1989 price correction, you should be interested in knowing what the future of real estate will assume. The truth is that when it comes to market conditions, no one can even predict what next week will look like. That's how tricky economics can be like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.